Good morning, everybody. So, I want to talk about Carnival Cruise this morning, and I think this is a trend that's going to be happening across the board. So, Carnival this morning is up 40 cents. Yesterday, I didn't even realize that I was trading Carnival on earnings. But basically, yesterday when Carnival released its earnings, the stock crashed. Then all of a sudden, it popped all the way up to 1943, then drops all the way back down to 1851, and then just traded sideways. And then this morning, it's up 42 cents. I didn't realize that yesterday I had earnings, and then I realized that after the market closed, I was like, oh, Carnival had earnings. And then I was reading through some of the earnings, and everyone knows that Carnival lost $4.4 billion. Not exactly true. They actually lost $2.4 billion. It's still a lot worse than what analysts expected. And then the revenues came in at $0.7 billion. What got to me is Carnival expects to burn $650 million a month while cruise operations are paused. And on top of that, they don't know for sure if they're going to restart cruising on August 1st because of the spike in cases that's happening and a possibility of a second wave. They are not sure if they are able to open up cruises by August 1st. So, yeah. And that's bad. That's horrible. But yet, Carnival is up this morning 47 cents. They are expected to lose $650 million a month. On top of that, if they do get cruises, they're gonna have to make deals for everyone, and no one around the world is gonna travel to the United States to take a cruise. People in the United States might take a cruise, but nobody from Europe, nobody from China, nobody from Canada is going to be traveling to the United States all around the world to take Carnival cruise. But yet Carnival is up 47 cents after hours. You can't tell if you're telling me that retail investors are pumping Carnival pre-market and the reasons why Carnival is going up. I really doubt that, because every single dollar Carnival goes up, it's about $600 million of market cap. Retail investors don't have that kind of money. And if they did, why would American Airlines be up? Norwegian Cruise Lines, all the airlines, all the cruise lines, why are they up this morning? Because big money is pumping Carnival and they are ignoring the fundamentals at the moment. Even Jim Cramer is super bearish. I'm going to play a little bit of the video and then I'm going to talk about it.
Carnival this morning, second quarter 2020 summary. It's preliminary. U.S. GAAP net loss of $4.4 billion, $6.07 diluted EPS, of course, for the company. Total revenues, they were $0.7 billion, lower than the $4.8 billion, Jim, from a year ago.
Yeah.
We can see what Carnival's doing this morning.
Yeah,
You've talked a lot about the cruise lines, of course, and made the argument that, well, they're not really cruising, so how can you actually buy them?
Yeah, but there are whole cohorts of what do you want to call them? Serious neophytes, radically wrong professional. I don't know what to call them because they get so upset. Who are playing this group because they just think that this is the group that is when it's green light economy by Carnival or green light virus by Carnival. And I think it's much more difficult than that. I mean, these companies burn a considerable amount of cash. Do they have to come back to the equity market? Let's just say that if I were Carnival and I did a big deal at 8, how about a bigger deal at 17?
Right. Well, I know. Maybe they have to. By the way, to that point, and I just want to make sure I get it right here, Jim, we're talking about they have $7.6 billion of available liquidity. right now, and they expect to, they say, further enhance future liquidity, including through refinancing.
So that's all I'm gonna play the video. You can watch the rest yourself. But as you can see, clearly Jim is not a bull on Carnival. He's telling Carnival to raise money, else they're gonna go bankrupt. Because they are losing so much money, and they should be raising more money just to ensure their survivability. So I mean, why is Carnival up? Like, a logical market would sell this off like no tomorrow. Retail investors should see this, and they should be selling off the stock. They should be looking at the earnings and like, holy crap, they lost so much money. But this is going to be like this across the board. American Airlines is going to happen. Tesla is going to lose a lot of money. It's going to be like this across the board with all the airlines, with all the stocks. It's officially opening right now. It's dropping, but it's going to be like this across the board. All the airlines, all the cruise stocks are going to lose a ton of money when they report earnings. And you know what I think is going to happen? All the stocks are probably going to be trading like this. They're all going to be trading positively. That's just my opinion. They're gonna have horrible earnings, and the stock is still gonna go up anyways, because that's the logic of the stock market right now. Horrible companies with bad earnings are gonna move up. They're gonna dump a little bit after earnings, and then they're gonna skyrocket after that. Doesn't make any sense? Absolutely not. But that's the logic right now that's happening in the market, which makes no sense. And look at NEO. Like I said, NEO is going higher. I said NEO is going to $10, maybe even higher than $10, because Tesla is making no logic at all. Tesla is up $7.05. It's just, if it's so unlogical to buy Tesla here, because like, if in order for you to double your money on Tesla at $1,000, you have to go to $2,000. That's a lot of money for and then at $2,000 it'll be extremely overvalued. That would make it more than Disney, just right behind Facebook, and Tesla does not deserve to be right behind Facebook. But that's just my opinion. Nikola this morning is up 27 cents. Nikola's gonna get dragged up with Tesla. Canopy Growth this morning up 50 cents. Ooh, makes me want to short it. Aurora up this morning, up 18 cents, getting dragged along with Canopy. Afria getting dragged along with Canopy, but it's only up 4 cents. Could be an opportunity, or it could just drop off during the day. Kronos Group is it halted? I don't know. Not really trading right now. Numbers should be like moving like crazy right now if it was trading. Oh no, it's trading. Tilray this morning. Tilray is down 10 cents. Hexo is down a little bit. GameStop is up a penny. Oh no, GameStop is trading sideways. Space is up 19 cents this morning. Tesla, I already talked about Tesla. Tesla up twice here. The markets are green. Europe, Asia was green. Europe is green. Just green across the board. Oil is up 3.5%. Harvest Health this morning is up 2 cents. Liberal Health Science is probably just trading, up a penny. Probably gonna trade sideways today. Iantha is probably up. Oh no, it's down half a penny. True Eve is probably up. Yep, up 44 cents. MedMen is up half a penny. Kira is probably up, but I could be wrong. Kira is just not really moving. And Cresco Labs is up 16 cents. I bet you anything that Bitcoin is probably up. Oh no, wow, Bitcoin is not up. That's kind of surprising. High Blockchain Technology is down a penny this morning. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.